Eggs are not healthy. They're actually one of the worst food items you can be eating for your health.
Basically, your morning oatmeal is robbing you of nutrients, not a health food, horrible breakfast.
50 ingredients and 50 ways to kill you. Shut the fuck up. Don't buy this fucking shit.
Stop eating fruit immediately. Eating too much fruit is the cause of diabetes.
Nowadays, there's actually a lot of people actively trying to become healthier, like eating their fruits and vegetables and stuff like that. But there's a lot of people on social media making it really hard for them to know what are the right choices to make and actually if they're doing healthy things in order to become healthier. So when so-called experts make videos on how to eat healthier and spread misinformation about it, it can be really damaging on the views that the general population has about healthy food and what foods they should actually be eating. So to set things straight, eggs, oats, fruit and bread, they're all fine in moderation, and so is every other food in moderation, because nothing is unhealthy for you unless you eat too much of it, because it's your diet as a whole that determines your health and how healthy your diet is. So eating a bit of junk food here and there, even if the things you eat aren't super healthy for you, if your diet as a whole has good foods in it and majority of it, like 80% of it, is good foods, then you're fine. You're gonna have a healthy lifestyle and you're gonna be able to do most of the things a healthy person can do. And that's why these videos of people saying specific foods, they don't really mean much. Like obviously some foods are just healthier than others, like fruits are healthier than lollies and vegetables are healthier than chips and all of that stuff. But your diet as a whole has to be healthy in order for you to be healthy. A piece of junk food here and a piece of junk food there is not going to make much of a difference if your diet as a whole is healthy. And that's why it's important for you to focus on what you eat throughout the day as your main meals rather than just your snacks. So some simple rules to follow that make sure you're actually eating healthy and your diet is good for you. Like try and stick to your whole foods, like your eggs, fruits, meat, oats, all of that stuff. Your whole foods should be your main source of energy and your main food that you eat throughout the day. And then also, if you struggle with eating too much junk food and you're finding that you're eating over 20% of your diet is junk food, try and find some alternatives that are healthier for you that kind of taste a little bit the same, so you're not going to get those cravings as often. And this way you're going to be able to stick to your healthy diet and not have to listen to any of that BS on social media and all of these people actually spreading misinformation, even though they're so-called experts. Anyway, that's it from me today, guys. If you want to start on a meal plan or something like that to help you, I have a free one linked in the description below, completely for free, so go check that out if you want it. Subscribe to be on the better side of YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.